What are you doing, man? Hi, Dudley. Hi, Dudley. Come here. Come on. Get up here. Here, your choice, Dudley. That's a big one, man. You're going to be able to carry more than one, Dudley. Good to see you, though, man. Pretty impressive, Dudley. Gotta say, pretty impressive. Yes, sir. Where's Goofy? Goofy here? I don't see him. Well, he got a couple peanuts earlier. Come on. Come here. Come here. Well, he's gone. Well, how about maybe Hero's back. And there's Hero just peeking up through the hole right now. Hi, Hero. Come here, man. Come here. Come on. Oh, come here, Hero. Come here. Come here. Come on, get over here. Come here. Come on. Take that one, that's a big one. No, I'll give you a choice. I'll give the other ones a choice, I'll give you a choice. There you go, my friend. Well, time to go see what Boomer's doing. Come here, Boomer. See if you can do it without the tree. Come here. Come on, Boomer, old buddy. There's my Boomer, just like a bullet. You gotta lay off that bird seed, Boomer. I'm telling you. Can you carry a tree? Nope. Okay, Boomer. Oh. All right, 3 chipmunks down.